episode of Street Photography Dublin. I'm Rene Brun, and this morning I am shooting from Howth Harbour in North County Dublin. Now, sorry I've been out of action for a while. I had broken 2 toes unfortunately, then I'd been away on a holiday, and of course, lucky me, I got a respiratory tract infection and lost my voice, so I hadn't been able to do any videos for a while, but I'm back and I'm here today to talk about photography. This time we're not in the city centre, we are in Howth, North County Dublin, at a working harbour, and I mightn't get the same amount of shots you'd get in the city centre with all the people, but we're going to try to capture the environment and a few people that are around and see what we can do. There's no excuse ever to stay at home with your camera. You'll always get something somewhere, and even if you're not able to take people shots, go out and hone your skills. That's what it's all about. So in a world full of infinite images, what makes a photographer a photographer? So when you create something with your hands, you're a craftsman. But when you create something with a camera, your heart, soul, you're a photographer. You need to make your images stand out above everyone else. The spray and pray lot who just shoot, use their phone on automatic. Oh, I took a brilliant picture. No, your phone took a brilliant picture because it's calculating the aperture, the shutter speed, the light settings, etc. Photographers actually stop, they take their time, they go into their camera settings, they manually adjust the aperture based on the light, the shutter speed, based on what film they're using, and basically they put a lot of time and effort in. So when you see a photographer as a picture on Instagram or somewhere, make sure you give it a like, because they put a lot of time and effort into these shots, and someone will come along and post a picture of their cat having a shit, which I've seen, and they get 10,000 likes, because some people like cats and some people understand social media algorithms. Yeah, so I get it. Sometimes it can be difficult to be inspired, it can be very difficult to be inspired when you're going out some places. Happens to everyone, we all get a lull sometimes. I mean, I've been photographing out here in Howth for 3 decades, but, you'll always find something new. There'll always be different light, and most importantly is, you're out, you're doing what you like, you're doing what you're passionate about. And believe me, I'm passionate about photography, drones, video editing. Which reminds me, I'm doing a review for the Dehancer program, lads, which will be done pretty much on par with this video. So it should be out around the same time. So check out my YouTube channel for Dehancer. It is a video editing software for DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere and Final Cut Pro. And it has over 60, 70, 80 film emulations. So if you like the old school film, and you remember the old school film photography like I did growing up, you'll see a lot of your video, instead of the pure raw high def, you can use Dehancer. Even at the very basic editing level, you can turn it into something old school and it looks very, very good. But that's a separate video, so check that out. And don't forget, like and subscribe if you like this video. It'll help me grow the channel, and obviously once I get over 1,000 subs I get monetized, so with a bit of luck, the more I get, the better equipment I can buy and the better I can produce all this stuff. But even if you don't want to like the channel, just subscribe, maybe share the video, it'll help me a lot. Thank you.